You want to trade with surgical precision, automated efficiency, and institutional-grade reliability. But are you still manually refreshing charts or dealing with clunky, slow connections? If that sounds like you, it's time to level up. Today, we're diving deep into Kraken's APIs, the indispensable tools for serious crypto traders, algorithm developers, and institutional players. Kraken isn't just an exchange, it's a powerful trading ecosystem. And the key to unlocking its full potential is through its suite of APIs. For the professional trader, this isn't just about placing a trade, it's about speed, control, and strategy execution at scale. First, let's look at the REST API. This is your go-to for synchronous, request-response communication. Need to check your account balance, manage your staking portfolio, or place a simple trade? The REST API handles these core trading, funding, and staking workflows reliably over HTTP. It's the foundational layer for integrating basic account management and order placement into your custom application. But for the pros who demand real-time reaction, Kraken offers the WebSockets API. Forget constant polling. WebSockets provide two-way, persistent connections, delivering event-driven updates. This is crucial for algorithmic trading because it gives you continuous, real-time market data, like order book depth and new trades, the instant they happen. If milliseconds matter to your strategy, WebSockets is your connection of choice. And for the largest, most sophisticated traders, the gateway is the FIX API. FIX stands for Financial Information Exchange, and it's the industry-standard protocol for institutional trading. It's a high-performance, session-based interface designed for ultra-low latency and robust trade management, directly connecting institutional clients to Kraken's deep liquidity pools. What does all this technical horsepower translate to for your trading? Speed and performance. Kraken's APIs are engineered for reliability and low latency, boasting over 99% uptime. This means your execution is fast, your data is fresh, and you can capitalize on arbitrage and market movements instantly. Deep liquidity and data. You get direct access to Kraken's order books, enabling you to execute large volume trades with confidence, benefiting from tight spreads and deep liquidity. Plus, with API access to historical data, you can thoroughly backtest and refine your most complex strategies. Automation and control. Whether you're building a simple DCA bot or a complex, AI-driven market-making algorithm, Kraken's APIs give you the freedom to fully automate your trading. You can manage multiple accounts, control your funding, and programmatically adjust positions, all within your own custom workflow. Kraken also prioritizes security, offering features like IP whitelisting and granular API key permissions. You can configure your keys with minimum required access, ensuring your funds stay safe while your bots do the heavy lifting. So, if you're ready to move beyond manual inputs and transform your crypto trading into a high-octane, automated operation, integrating with Kraken's REST, WebSockets, or FIX APIs is the next logical step. These tools are built for the future of finance, giving you the control and performance only a top-tier exchange can offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.